I have sold thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of products online. All right. T-shirts, hats, mugs, sweatpants, outfits, journals. I have sold so many products. I have had my own warehouse. I've used print on demand for over 10 years and I have printed it at my house. Okay. So you can trust me when I say I know how to sell a thing or two. So if you're struggling with selling, this video is going to help you today. So make sure that you watch it until the end so that you can get the game. Because today I am going to tell you how to get sales this week. All right, we're going to talk about how you're going to get sales immediately. I'm giving you my exact launch game plan. This is exactly what I do for my brands and also for brands that I coach and work with. This is exactly what I tell them, so I'm not skipping any steps. So you got to watch the whole thing so that you know. Now, if you're brand new, you don't know where to begin, you don't know where to start, you don't know what your niche is or who you want to sell to, but you do know that you want to sell products or t-shirts or anything like that, comment free class and I will send you over my free t-shirt class. You can use this for anything that you want to sell online and I will send you the link directly. Also, if you are interested in using print on demand, specifically one of the companies that I've used throughout my journey of selling thousands of products, comment Printify below and I will send you my link to Printify. They are who print, pack, and ship your items for you. So you don't even have to lift a finger. The only thing you got to do is your marketing and sales, exactly what I'm about to tell you today. So comment Printify if you want to get started with them. If you already have a Printify account, all you got to do is take notes today. All right, so let's jump right in. So step one is going to be for you to realize that people buy from people that they like. People buy concepts, ideas, feelings, and all of that they relate to. So you have to show up online and let people root for you. That means you cannot be building in secret. I don't care if you're on Printify. I don't care what you're using to fulfill your products. You have to let people know that something is coming. They don't know that Printify is shipping your products. They don't know that you're not, in your own warehouse right now. You have to build the story and get people excited with you. That means letting people know, I got my brand on the way. I am so excited. Go on your Printify, order a sample of your shirt or your product, and you need to be wearing it every single day. You need to be posting it. You need to have it on. People need to be like, why do you keep wearing that shirt? Oh, because it's my brand. Every single day, right? You need to set a launch date if you have not launched your brand already. I always suggest this inside of my 10 Sales in 10 Days Accelerator class. My students have to start marketing before they actually launch. This is how you don't launch to crickets. A lot of you have created print on demand stores, you've created brands before, and you quit because you don't have customers, but you never let anybody know to be ready for your product. So start letting people know, start creating videos with your products on and telling people, I have something great on the way. You're gonna love it. I don't care if it's your friends and family in your group chat, your church group, your sorority group, your fraternity group, whoever it is, let people know and stop being ashamed or embarrassed or what will people think when it comes to your products. That's also going to stop you from making the sales that you deserve. Set a date that you're launching your products. And if you've already launched, set another date. Okay, my products relaunched this day. I'm excited about it. Come buy my stuff. I cannot wait for you to see this brand, right? Share the name, share the story, share the excitement, and people catch on and they can't wait to buy from you, but only if you show up that way. Step two, you are going to create a public goal and you're gonna attach a giveaway to it. Yes, you are going to have to get vulnerable and let people know this week I am going to sell 20 products and I'm going to do whatever it takes to sell these 20 products. What that's going to do is get people rallying behind you and they're going to be like, oh my gosh, what do I have to do? Who do I have to tell to get you to your goal? And you're going to share this on your social media. You're going to let people know, I got to sell 20 products this week. Can you help me, right? In the midst of this, you are going to start collecting some emails. So you can use the platform ConvertKit. It may be called Kit now. You can use Klaviyo. Use a platform where you can connect with your customers and start getting people excited about your weekly or your monthly goals. Get them involved because people will help you. Now, here's the part where you can have fun with it and do a giveaway. You can say something like, when I hit my 20th sale, I am going to refund that customer, or I'm going to give that customer a very special gift, or something like that to get people excited about buying from you. Giveaways are amazing. I do them all the time because I love seeing my own customers and community be excited and rallying behind our goals. Step 3 is going to be for you to follow up and thank every single buyer. A lot of new business owners feel like because they're not either shipping the products if you're using print on demand, or because you're not shipping out hundreds and thousands of products yet, that it's not that big of a deal for your very first customers to hear from you. And it is a very big deal. I used to literally reach out to every single customer. I used to do thank you cards. It is important for you to reach out to these people, tell them thank you for being my first customers. I appreciate everything that you're doing for me. If you wouldn't mind, when you get my product, can you please post it? I would love to repost you. This is going to be the best form of marketing that you can do, because when people see other people in your product, they're going to want to get it too. And then other people are going to share and they're going to buy, and then you're going to continue the groove. Okay. So tell people that you appreciate them. Step 4, when you actually hit your milestone and you sell the goal that you set, you're going to post it publicly. We did it, y'all. We did it. Thank you. I love y'all. Post your giveaway winner. Let them know you got something on the way. That creates more and more excitement. And then what you're going to do from here is continue thinking through what your launch strategy will be. Are you going to drop a new product every week? Are you going to drop a new product every month? Are you going to do a new giveaway every month? You got to start thinking like a business owner and creating hype around your products. We used to do like 3, 2, 1 launch day. So 3 days out, we will post graphics about it. 2 days out, like we would have people literally at the door waiting to buy from us. They were that excited when we would launch something because they knew we're coming with it, right? We're doing a giveaway that you love. We're doing something that's for you. So create excitement around your brand, not just come buy from me. Come on, just come and get it, right? Do something to keep your customers excited and engaged about your products. There's a lot of places they can be shopping, okay? They don't have to be shopping with you. Give them a reason. If you have any questions about any of these 4 steps, let me know in the comments. If you want to let me know about your brand specifically, comment below, especially if you have a link already created to your Printify or any of that. Let me see what you got going on and see if I can include you in one of my upcoming marketing and sales videos. And remember, if you've not used Printify, you can comment Printify. I also have the accelerator class if you're ready to make some more sales today. Let me know in the comments and I will be there to kind of answer your questions. All right. And I'll see you guys in the next video.